Hello everyone, you are watching Binary Trending channel. Today on Pocket Option Broker, I will explain a 3-minute strategy that can change your trading game for the better, because in trading, a good strategy with money management is everything. The link to Pocket Option is in the video description, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, then subscribe as the intro rolls out, and give a like for the video. Now let's set up the technical indicators on the candlestick charts. Add the Bollinger Bands and the Stochastic Oscillator with the following settings. Stochastic Oscillator Smoothing Period set to 4 and Stochastic Moving Average type WMA, then add line thickness. For the Bollinger Bands, change the period to 20 and the deviation to 2. Add the line thickness and you are all good to go. Make sure the trade expiry time is set to 3 minutes and the candle time frame set to 1 minute. Follow closely as I take trades at different entry. This is a good moment for buy or call trades following the strategy entry techniques. First, you want to know if the market is ranging or trending, because the strategy works best for ranging markets. The market as on the screen is ranging, and you can know that as the candles are going up to the upper line of the Bollinger Band and also reversing down to the lower line, and the distance between the upper and lower line of the Bollinger Band is wide. When the candles come down to the lower Bollinger Band line and the stochastic oscillator also goes to the oversold condition, then it's a good moment to place buy or call trades, and the best example is the current trade on the screen. The video is playing faster than the time I took to trade, so you can see the different trades I placed and the results. Let's wait for the trade to expire and we continue to explore the different profitable entry levels for the 3-minute strategy. The first trade closed with profit. Great. There is 3 bull news release now, and I'm switching to OTC quotes to avoid the high volatility in the live market. The current trade is a put or sell option trade. The market is in a strong downtrend, and now that the candles have reached the upper Bollinger Bands and the stochastic oscillator is in the overbought condition, indicates the market is going to go back down to the lower Bollinger Bands line, making a good put option entry for trades. Let's watch how it plays out. The sell trades closed with absolute profit. This is another call option entry for trades. At the entry, the market is starting to be in an uptrend and the stochastic oscillator is at the oversold condition, and the candles have come to the lower Bollinger Bands line, indicating a good call option entry for trades. When the market starts to be in an uptrend as on the screen, then you can place only call option trades when the market reaches the oversold condition, and no sell trades because the market will be taking longer durations in the overbought condition. Let's watch how the market plays out at the entry. The market played out great and closed with profit. This is another great moment, and the candles have just reached the lower Bollinger Bands line, and the stochastic oscillator is at the oversold condition, making a good entry for call trade. The market did not really go upward, but we made profit as we entered on time. Here is another entry, and candles have gone down to the lower Bollinger Bands, and the stochastic oscillator is at the oversold condition, confirming the entry for trades. The market instead went downward again before the upward trend began, and we lost the trade. Here is another call option trade entry, and all entry conditions are good. Let's watch how the trade play out at the entry. We had money return at the entry, and that is better than losing. I'm ending the tutorial here because the last two trades were not good, and I will recommend you start with this strategy on your demo account and practice first before using it on your live account. Leave your questions on the comment section and like this video to promote the channel.